A person in the northeastern U.S. state of New Hampshire has died from Eastern equine encephalitis, a rare but potentially fatal viral disease transmitted by mosquitoes, according to the state's Department of Health. The adult from Hampstead, who had previously tested positive for the virus, succumbed to severe disease affecting the central nervous system. This marks the first reported case of Eastern equine encephalitis in New Hampshire in a decade. The disease, often referred to as EE or EE, has also been detected in neighboring states Vermont and Massachusetts, where public health officials are taking urgent measures to control its spread. In Massachusetts, 10 communities are now classified as critical or high risk for EE, following the confirmation of an EE case in Worcester, involving a man in his 80s, by the Massachusetts Department of Public Health. In response to the outbreak, Massachusetts officials have launched extensive mosquito control efforts, including aerial and truck-based spraying in the affected areas. Several towns have enacted nighttime park closures and voluntary curfews to reduce exposure to mosquitoes during their peak activity hours from dusk to dawn. EE is a serious viral infection that is transmitted to humans through the bite of an infected mosquito. According to the U.S. Center for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC), the virus can cause severe inflammation and swelling of the brain. The disease has a high mortality rate, with approximately 1 in 3 infected individuals dying from the illness. Health experts urge residents to take precautions to minimize mosquito bites, such as using insect repellent, wearing long-sleeved clothing, and avoiding outdoor activities during peak mosquito activity times. Public health officials in affected states continue to monitor the situation closely and provide updates as new information becomes available.